Hi, I'm Susan. If you're watching this, chances are you're struggling with nerve pain, tingling, or burning sensations in your hands or feet, numbness, or even that feeling like your skin is buzzing or on fire. And while some people might try to brush it off, I can tell you, it's more than just discomfort. It affects your sleep, your mood, and your ability to live your life normally. You start avoiding walks, social activities, or even simple things like driving, just because you don't know when that pain or numbness is going to hit. And I know how frustrating it is to feel like you've tried everything. Prescription drugs that leave you foggy, creams that numb your skin but wear off fast, or treatments that come with side effects worse than the symptoms. So I started looking into alternatives that might actually help, without making things worse. That's when I came across NerveCalm. And after taking a deep look at the formula, the science, and feedback from real users, I felt confident enough to give you this honest review. NerveCalm is a completely natural solution developed by a team of specialized doctors with years of experience in nerve health and chronic pain support. It's based on a deep understanding of how nerve pain works, and more importantly, how to calm the nervous system naturally and safely, without harsh chemicals or dependency risks. The formula combines plant-based ingredients like passion flower, corydalis, prickly pear, California poppy seed, marshmallow root, and magnesium, each one carefully selected to help soothe irritated nerves, ease discomfort, and support healthier nerve signaling. And because it's 100% natural, NerveCalm doesn't come with any side effects. No drowsiness, no fogginess, no addictive ingredients. It's gentle, safe, and designed for long-term relief, something that's really important when nerve pain becomes a part of daily life. Like with any real solution, it's not a magic pill. You have to give it a little time. Most people notice improvements within the first few weeks, but the most significant results usually come after a couple of months of consistent use. And honestly, when your nerves are screaming every day, a few weeks is a small price to pay for peace and comfort. One thing that really stood out to me is the 180-day money-back guarantee. That's 6 full months to try it risk-free. If it doesn't work for you, you get your money back. No questions asked. That's a level of confidence you don't see often, and it really made me feel better about giving it a shot. I also spoke with the team behind NerveCalm, and I was honestly impressed. They're serious about helping people, about quality, and about creating a formula that actually works, without relying on drugs or invasive procedures. So, if you're tired of living with nerve pain, if you've tried things that didn't work, and you just want something that's safe, natural, and actually delivers results, I really believe NerveCalm is worth a try. Just one important warning: NerveCalm is not sold on Amazon, eBay, or any other marketplaces. To make things easier, I've included the link to the official website in the description below this video. That way, you know you're getting the real product with full protection and support. I hope this review helped you understand what NerveCalm is really about. And if you decide to try it, I truly hope it brings you the relief and calm you've been looking for. Take care.